Hi guys, you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across my video, my name is Mara Unique, and in today's video I want to be teaching you on how to draw and highlight a detailed eyebrow in 2026. Stay tuned guys, let's go.
Beauty. Step in the room, all eyes on me. Face be clean, that glow too deep. From the brows to the lips, perfection. Hair lay down, no correction. I don't play when it comes to slay. Every look turn heads my way. Beauty queen with the magic touch. One transformation, that's enough. Mirror, mirror on the wall today. Who is the baddest in the DMV? Got the pad and the brushes out, giving them something to talk about. Watch the highlight, catch the light. Everything is feeling right. Confidence is through the roof. In my chair you found the truth. Mara Unique, yeah, we glow like this. Makeup flawless, can't resist. So sleek, confidence speak. When I touch you, you go sheesh. Mara Unique, beauty on repeat. Every look make the timeline freeze. From your head down to your feet, you know, say you're looking sweet. Edges low, wig on tight. Stepping out, you on the night. Soft glam, bold glam, pick your vibe. Any style, I make it shine. Content popping, lights, camera. Every wiggle viral, no drama. Beauty box, yeah, that's the name. Mara Unique, remember the name. From the front line to the VIP. You're the main character, can't you see? Blending out the shadows, making art. Leaving a mark right on your heart. It's the shimmer, it's the shine. It's the way you're so divine. It's the craft, it's the skill, giving you that brand new thrill. Just the powder, set the spray. Now you're ready for the day. Mara Unique, yeah, we go like this. Makeup flawless, can't resist. Hair so sleek, confidence beat. When I touch you, you go sheesh. Mara Unique, beauty on repeat. Every look make the timeline freeze. From your head down to your feet, you know, say you looking sweet. Unique and deep. Got the glow. Here we go. Yeah, we stay looking sweet. Mara Unique beauty. Yeah. Mara got the glow. Everywhere we go. Yeah, we stay looking sweet. Mara Unique beauty. Mara Unique beauty. Step in the room, all eyes on me. Face be clean, that glow too deep. From the brows to the lips, perfection. Hair lay down, no correction. I don't play when it comes to slay. Every look turn heads my way. Beauty queen with the magic touch. One transformation, that's enough. Mirror, mirror on the wall today. Who is the baddest in the DM?
Guys, we have come to the end of this video and I hope you learned one or two from this video. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like, comment and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.